Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to N8N. First, go to the Supabase website and make sure you're logged in to your account. From the dashboard, click on the project you want to connect. Here, you will see the Connect button, where you can view different connection methods and database details. From this section, you can access your API keys and database credentials. Now, copy the publishable API key if needed. Also, keep your database details like host, database name, username, password, and port ready because you may need them while creating credentials in N8N. Now, open a new tab and go to the N8N website. Click on Get Started for free. Enter your company email address and click on Submit. Complete the sign up or login process to access the dashboard. After logging in, click on Start Automating. Then click on Start from Scratch to create a new workflow. Here, click on Add First Step. In the search bar, type Postgres and select it from the results. Next, click on Actions. Here, click on Insert or Update rows in a table, depending on what you want to do. Now, click on Select Credentials, then click on Create New Credentials. Here, you can enter your Supabase details such as host, database name, username, password, and port. Fill in all required fields carefully to avoid connection errors. After entering the details, click on Save. Finally, select the operation like delete, execute query, insert, or any other option based on your requirement. Configure the table name and fields properly. Test and note, and your Supabase database will now be connected to N8N successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.